Hello my dear students, Neeraj again with my next video of exercise 12.3 question number 13. So what is given in this question? In figure 12.31, this figure, a square OABC is inscribed in a quadrant OPBQ. So you can check here, this is a quadrant OPBQ and OABC is the square. The quadrant is having the center O, and if OA is 20, this side is 20, means the side of the square is 20, and find the area of the shaded region, means I want to calculate this area. So what I want, what I will do, I will check that the bigger one figure is the quadrant and the smaller one figure is the square. As you know, very easily I can calculate it by subtracting the square from this quadrant. How will we do that? Look at the figure. Now I am going to solve this question, the question number 13 of exercise 12.3. So how will I do that? Firstly, for finding the only the side of the square is given, means OA, OB, OC and OAB. AB is given because the area side of the quadrant is given. So firstly, for finding the area of the quadrant, what I want the radius, because what will be the formula of for finding the area of quadrant? That is 1 by 4 pi r square. I need r, but I am not having any r. So what will I do? I can check here in the square. This is the diagonal, and diagonal is equals to the r, radius of the square. You can radius of the circle. So what will I do? Radius of quadrant OPBQ I want to calculate first. So it will be done by taking this triangle first. This is 20, this AB is 20. So this hypotenuse can be calculated with the help of Pythagoras theorem. It will be OB square equals to 20 square, means OA square, plus AB square. It will be 20 square will be 400 plus 400. It will be 800. So OB square equals to 800, and OB you can say it under root of 800, and it can be written as 20 under root 2. That much centimeter is there. So this is the radius of the circle, you can say. So radius of the quadrant is 20 under root 2. So what will be the area of the quadrant? Area of quadrant OPBQ, it will be equals to 1 by 4 pi r square. So as given in the question, the value of pi is, we have to take as 3.14 as it is given in the question. So it will be 1 by 4 3.14, r square is 20 under root 2 multiply by 20 under root 2. So after doing the calculation, 4 5 is 20. After doing the calculation, I am getting it as 628 centimeter square. So now I want to calculate the area of the square. So the area of square, it can be calculated very easily by multiply side into side. The formula is side square. So it I can write it as 20 square, that is 400 centimeter square. So I am having the area of quadrant, I am having the area of square. I want to find the area of the shaded region. So what will I do? I will subtract the smaller figure from the bigger figure. So area of the shaded region, area of shaded region equals to 628 minus 400, that is 228 centimeter square. This is the solution of question number 13 of exercise 12.3, and this is one of the important question. And similarly, you can check here the question number 14, the same question. This is the sector. I want to calculate the area of this band in which the OB 21 centimeter is given and OC 7 centimeter is given. Same question we have done. You can check here question number 2. Here the circles are given and we have to in the circle we have to calculate the area of sector, bigger sector minus smaller sector. In the same way you can do this question also, in which you will calculate the area of bigger sector. After that you will subtract the smaller sector from the bigger sector. So 14 question is very easy. You can do it, solve it with the method, with the same method that we have done in the question number 2. So I will do the 15th question in my next video. So wait for my next video. Thank you very much.